Hi everyone, it's Michael, your favorite solar expert. During my years in the solar industry, I have talked to hundreds of homeowners that want to learn more about solar energy. This is the single most common question I hear: is solar energy right for my home? Now fortunately, while not every property is perfect, most homes are well suited for a solar energy system. Here are 5 ways to help you determine whether solar panels are a good fit for you. Number 1, do you own your home? First and foremost, it's generally more difficult to install solar panels on your home if you aren't the owner. That can be tough. You can certainly ask the owner of the property whether they'd consider installing a system and assist as a solar advocate, but ultimately, they'll be the final decision maker. So, having a hard time trying to sell them on it? Need help convincing them? Check out our video about solar renters. Please see the link in the description below. Number 2, do you have too much shade? And everybody likes shade, but not so much solar panels, but it's not that big of a deal. Now, if your home only experiences a bit of shade throughout the day, don't worry. Contrary to popular belief, your home doesn't need to be perfectly sunny all the time to benefit from a solar panel system. While it's true that the sunnier your roof is, or property, the more electricity you can produce with solar panels, the right equipment such as microinverters and power optimizers, and a well-designed system from your solar installer can help you minimize the negative impact of shading hitting your system. Number 3, do you have room? I got this one so many times. People's roofs just didn't have enough space. There was different ventilations, obstructions. So most homeowners get solar panels on their roof. There are several factors you should consider, such as size, location, the material of your roof. It's easy to collect sunlight from most roofs in the state of California, so there's no reason to worry. However, if for some reason you don't want solar panels on your roof, this is a good one. We can also install ground mount systems as well. You're less likely to have space limitations and can install your panels at the perfect tilt and direction, as opposed to being restricted by the dimensions of a roof's surface. Ground mounts aren't your only alternative to consider. While less common, some homeowners choose to install a solar carport, shed, patio cover, and more. Number 4, does your state or utility offer solar-friendly incentives? Now, there's no doubt that it's certainly easier to save with solar in California than other states due to local policies and incentives. One of the most important solar incentives to keep an eye out for is net metering. This incentive allows you to send any excess electricity your solar panel system generates to the grid in exchange for credits on your electricity bill. You can use these credits when your solar panel system isn't producing the energy you need, like at night. Outside of net metering, many states and utility companies offer tax credits, rebates, or performance-based incentives to help you save with solar. The Federal Investment Tax Credit, or ITC, available to everyone in the US, allows homeowners who purchase and install a solar panel system to claim a percentage of solar costs as a credit towards their federal taxes. If you'd like more information on the ITC, we have another video explaining it in detail. We'll put the link in the description below. Number 5, how much does it cost? The most common question I get all the time is, how much is this system? The cost, this will impact how much you can save by going solar and how quickly you can break even on the investment. Now take note, average payback period in the US is close to 8 years. Now, it's more expensive to install solar in some areas of the country than others, depending on the availability of incentives, labor, permitting costs, and more. However, in our great state of California, solar costs are getting lower. Besides that, you don't need to pay for the entire system up front. That's even better. Now, there are many financing options available that allow you to go solar with no money down. Perfect, right? When you're ready to take that step, we hope you'll give us a call. You can talk to me directly at 760-545-8466 or visit us at sunenergycalifornia.com. Now, if you're still thinking about it, subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell, and learn a little bit more. The more you know, the better you feel. You can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, where you can view the stories of our past customers on how happy they are with the homes powered by the sun. Thanks for stopping by, and have a sunny day.